How to open control panel in Windows 10 and 11. Let's start. सबसे पहले दो तरीके हैं यहाँ पे। दो तरीके में से सबसे पहले एक सर्च बटन पे क्लिक करना होगा, देन सर्च हेयर कंट्रोल पैनल। You can see in search bar control panel option, then click here and you can see these are control panel. If these are not, you can see category, change the small icon, you can see here, and category you can see here. If you are watching this, seeing this, then you may click on large icon. You can see the full customization option in control panel. And second option is click on keyboard, Windows, press R button, then click here, right here on CONTROL, okay, and click OK. You can watch here. You can see here the control panel is opened. So this method is easy for opening the control panel. I hope this video is helpful for you.